How to change font size in Samsung device. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure on how can you change font size in Samsung device. So in order to change the font size on Samsung device, you need to follow these steps. So first thing first, what you need is open up settings on your device. And when you open up the settings, you just need to go to the display section. So here is the display section. Then you simply have to go ahead and look for the font options. So on the settings, you could just look for these display or the font section. Or if you are unable to find it here, you could also go to the system, and then here you could find the font options. Or you could just type in font on the search, and what you need is just type in font size, and then you could go ahead and swipe or toggle the button and adjust it accordingly. And to change the font type, you could tap on the font style and select from the available options, or download a new font from your Galaxy store as well. And for faster adjustment, you could add the font size title to your quick settings panel. Swipe down from the top of the screen twice and then tap on the edit or pencil icon, and the font size or the font style will be added. So this is how you could change font size in Samsung device. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.